Hey guys, welcome back. This is a 2023 Kia Sorento, and they are here for the audio unit. So let's turn it on first. Okay, it is on, and if you can see, I pressed the radio, but I'm not getting to the radio. Media, nothing. If I press that, nothing. Nothing. I did the reset, soft reset, hard reset, all kind of reset, and it did not fix it. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go replace it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so before I pull this out, I did let the engine run and close all the vent, so this portion will get warmed up. If the plastic is warmed up, it's a lot easier to pop out. There you go. Cool. Just gonna put this guy over here. Then there is one screw here and there, and also we gotta deal with this. Yep. Let's go ahead and pop this out gently. I don't see any specific spot to do this. Hopefully I'm not going to scratch it. It's like right there. There we go. Oops, I put my tools in the wrong way. Okay. There we go. Okay. Right here, and we got two screws over there. Let's get this thing magnetized. Alright, I believe we can now pick this out, right? I think so. Okay. All right, sweet. Now we can put towel here so we don't scratch this. If I can. There we go. Just gonna let you rest there. Cool. There we go. And hook or unplug everything. This thing's still pretty warm. Okay. Supposed to be in the other side? Yeah, maybe. This way. There we go. Cool. Now it's out. Alright, so here is the Reman head unit, or they call it navigation. Alright, so pretty much like everything is in it, but I think we need to transfer some bracket in the bottom right here. Both of them. Okay. Alright, so this one is ready to go, but before that I would like to go ahead and take a picture of some information here. We might gonna need some information written here down the road, and it's a good idea if we have a copy. There we go. All right, let's keep going. They're like color coded, so you can't really mess up on this one. This guy, it's gonna go here. Wrong way. Cool. awesome. So all you have to do next is line this up. Do you see this little hook right here? Goes at the bottom down there. All right, go slowly. Okay. There we go. Make sure everything is lined up. Then press this in. All right. Am I flush? There we go. There we go. Not flush yet. I'm lined up though. That's good. There you go. Where's my mirror? I like to do this by hand. Be careful not to drop it. Okay. Okay. Cool. So put this back. Now it's gonna go this way, I believe. Yeah, that does look like it. There you go. Okay, where's the other piece? Oh, it's right here. Then just line this up. Oh, am I doing it right? Nope. Nope, I'm not doing it right. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Oops. There we go. That's more like it. Then, when everything lined up, just press it in. Okay. All right. Now let's go ahead and install the battery and verify our repair. Okay, so start the engine. I do have an auto up feature, auto down. Same thing on the passenger side. Sometimes when you disconnect the battery, you gotta reset this thing, but not right now. It is Wednesday, October 1, 9/17. Is it really 9/17 or 10/17? Alright guys, everything seems to be okay, except for the time. It's like an hour off, but if I press the radio, we got something going on. I just can't play music, but hey, it's working. AM. Let's go to media. There we go. We got some Sirius XM. Oh yeah, get that app. And Sounds of Nature. Right? I love it. So yeah, everything is working fine. Shut it off. And are we just gonna let the customer remove all this white protective thing? No, let's go ahead and deal with it. This is factory warranty, guys, so I replaced this free of charge. I believe I replaced a couple of this in the last few months. So there's no TSB yet or anything like that, but down the road Kia might gonna release the TSBs for this concern. Alright, we didn't scratch it. Yep, just gonna go ahead and clean it up a little bit, make sure everything is tucked in properly, and we're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Oh yeah, I better adjust that time, or maybe the customer wanted that way. You know what, I'm just gonna leave it alone. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.